In this video, you are going to understand a feature in Land Rover vehicle which is called TFT. So if you find a Land Rover vehicle that maybe you purchased or you want to purchase, and when you're looking at the features, you see a feature known as TFT, you'll be in a position now to understand it better, how it works and what it is. A TFT actually means thin film transistor, and it is a visual instrument panel in Land Rover vehicles. This TFT utilizes the film transistor technology, the thin film transistor technology, and this allows for high resolution and high definition display. So this technology provides sharp images, vibrant colors, and an excellent clarity compared to the traditional analog gauges like the ones we had for those vehicles, which either you are using the analog gauges to measure or to show the speed, the oil gauges, and the lights like the check engine. So in the Land Rovers, they use these TFT panels, which typically offers high resolution lenses that is from the standard HD, the 720p, to full HD 1080p or even higher, depending now on the model of the Land Rover. The good thing about TFT, it's customizable and the layer options. So as a driver, you can customize the themes. So you can customize various display themes or presets that suits your preference. So themes may include the different color schemes, the layout, and also the arrangement of the information on the screen. So where do you want maybe the speedometer to be? Where do you want maybe your the song list to be? You can customize everything according to your preference. Also the color, do you like maybe this color? Do you like this color? You can customize all those things if your vehicle has this TFT technology. You can also have their user-defined layout. So it will allow you to customize the layout by rearranging the wedges or the information modules. So this flexibility will let you to prioritize the display of essential information, like for example, the speed or the navigation direction or the media control. So maybe you can customize, you see maybe the speed will appear at the top and maybe the revolution, the RPM will appear next to it, the direction maybe below it. So you can customize the layout depending on how you like it. This feature, thin film transistor, will also help you to integrate the vehicle information so that you can get a comprehensive data presentation. So this TFT displays actually critical vehicle information into a single interface. This includes what you have said, the speed, the RPM, the fuel level, the engine temperature, and the tire monitoring system, the TPMS, any alerts, and even more. So it can also integrate the navigation for easier direction, and turn-by-turn instruction can also be displayed directly on this TFT screen. This, as a driver, will reduce you the need to glance at a separate navigation unit or smartphone. So everything can be displayed on the TFT screen. It also offers a dynamic display and adaptive features. So these dynamic display modes, the TFT, it can dynamically change the appearance based on the driving modes or condition. Let's say for an instance, in sport mode, you can customize the display which will emphasize the performance metrics. So in sport mode, you customize it such that it will emphasize only the these metrics for performance, like for example the RPM or the turbo boost or maybe in eco mode it will highlight only the fuel efficiency data. So you can customize that TFT screen according to what you want and according to your driving preference or the driving modes. The TFT will also help you in connectivity and multimedia integration. So the infotainment integration can seamlessly be integrated with the vehicle's infotainment system. So this will allow you to control the multimedia functions. Let's say, for example, audio playback or Bluetooth connectivity. This will help you for hands-free calling and also to access your smartphone via apps like the Apple CarPlay or the Android Auto. So you can see all these things in the TFT screen. Also, the media information like the song title, the artist name, the album, and also the radio station information, like for example, which radio station are you listening to, they can typically be displayed on the TFT screen and will provide you with a rich multimedia experience. So you can connect and integrate all these things in the TFT, and you can customize it according to how you want. Another thing that you can do with the TFT screen is visual alerts and the safety features. So this TFT screen can show you visual alerts for various driver assistant system. Like for example, the rain departure warning and the forward collision warning, the pedestrian detection, the traffic sign recognition, just to name but a few. But you can there are so many, and you can all integrate it and you put it in a visual alert such that every icon will be displaying a certain parameter. Also the parking aids. So when you are maneuvering, the TFT screen may display parking sensor data. That will like showing you the proximity of obstacles around the vehicles at the back, maybe where the blind spot when you cannot see. So those things can all be integrated in the TFT screen. Also, you can have a friendly user interface design and usability. These TFT panels are designed with a user-friendly interface by the Land Rovers for easy use and clarity. It has the icon-based menus, intuitive navigation control, and a clear topography. And all this information is easily accessible and understandable at a glance. So as a driver, when you're just driving, this icon will help you to see and to read every information just by the look of it at a glance. Remember also, this TFT is able to adapt the brightness and visibility. So the adjustable brightness levels will ensure the optimal visibility in varying lighting condition. Like for example, when you are driving in bright sunlight or at nighttime driving, so it will change and it will adapt the brightness level so that the level that is the brightness that is coming from the TFT will not affect your eyes when you are driving and you are looking forward. The Land Rover vehicles often allows for extensive personalization of the TFT display settings. So this includes choosing the preferred color, adjusting whatever you have said, the screen brightness, and also configuring information wedges to suit your individual driving preference. The TFT will also display dynamic information. What I mean by dynamic information is like the torque distribution, how much torque is distributed on the front wheel and how much percentage of torque is distributed on the back wheel or the rear wheels. It will also show you the suspension setting of the vehicle and off-road parameter. Thus, it will provide you with the real-time information metrics. For this feature and any other that you may need, we are here to offer you a consultative advice, and we also help you to buy your Land Rover vehicle depending on the model that you want. Either you want a 0 mileage or a slightly used vehicle from UK or from any other country, we will help you to source that vehicle, to import for you, to do the shipping and the clearance, and to make sure that your vehicle is delivered to you in a predestined condition. So give us a call if you need to import your car today.